Hello, now let's look at this problem together. Solve 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0 by completing the squares. 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Now, the first thing to do now is to move these constants to this side. So we have 3x squared minus 5x equals to minus 2. Okay? Now, we must ensure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So to do that, we divide through by the coefficient of x squared. So you divide this by 3, this by 3, and this by 3. So when you divide this by 3, you have x squared minus 5 over 3x equals to minus 2 over 3. Okay? Now, the next thing is to add to both sides. Square of half of the coefficient of x. Right? So, now just pick the coefficient of x. That is minus 5 over 3. Okay, so you divide it by 2. That is the same thing as multiplying the denominator by 2. So dividing this by 2 is the same thing as multiplying 3 by 2. That's going to give you 6. So you square it. Now this is what we are adding to both sides of the equation. Now let's do that. So we have x squared minus 5 over 3x plus minus 5 over 6 squared equals to minus 2 over 3 plus minus 5 over 6 raised to the power of 2. Alright? So just pick the base here, the base and the base here. So you put them in a bracket. So we have x minus 5 over 6 and put square there. Alright? So now this side we have minus 2 over 3 plus, now you evaluate this, this is going to be 25 over 36. So when you square 5, you have 25, you square 6, you have 36. Okay, so now we have x minus 5 over 6 raised to the power of 2 equals to, now we find the LCM of these two terms. Okay, 3 and 36. That is 36. Now 3 goes in 36 is 12. 12 times minus 2, that is going to give you minus 24. Okay, so 36 goes in 36 is 1. So 1 times 25, that will be plus 25. Okay, so you have x minus 5 over 6 raised to the power of 2 equals to, now minus 24 plus 25, that gives you 1 over 36. Now the next thing is to take square root of both sides. So we have x minus 5 over 6 equals to plus or minus square root of 1 over 36. Okay? So now you move this to this side. Don't forget the sign will change. So that is 5 over 6 plus or minus 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And square root of 36 is 6. Okay, now find the LCM of this. So the LCM of 6 and 6 is 6. So 6 goes in 6 is 1. 1 times 5, 5. Plus or minus 6 goes in 6. That's 1 times 1. We have 1. Alright, so x is equals to 5 plus 1 over 6, or x equals to 5 minus 1 over 6. Alright, so that is x equals to 6 over 6, and that is what? 1. Or x equals to 4 over 6, and that is 2 over 3. So the values of x are 1 or 2 over 3. I want to believe you've learned one or two things. So don't forget to drop your thoughts and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.